How to recover end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger. First of all, what you need to do is open Messenger and log into your account on your new device. And a prompt will pop up and that will ask you to restore your chats, and you just have to tap on restore now. And it will ask you some 6-digit PIN. Enter 6-digit PIN from the verification option. Just type your PIN code to decrypt and download your message history securely. And all of your chat history available on, let's say if you have signed in on Android for example, will be loaded in your device, such as another phone or even another PC that you are using and right now. However, because end-to-end encryption stores the data keys securely on your local devices and your designated cloud backups, permanently deleted messages cannot be recovered. Neither you nor Meta support agents can restore encrypted history if it was explicitly deleted or if secure storage was never activated prior to losing device access. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.